everyone, welcome to my new series. Series ini aku namakan 7 Hari Berkain. Dan dalam series ini aku akan mendokumentasikan diriku selama 7 hari melakukan aktivitas-aktivitas biasa tapi berkain. Dan tujuan dari series ini itu untuk ngasih lihat kepada kalian bahwa kain itu tuh bisa diapain aja, dan gimana caranya aku memadu padankan dan mixing and matching kain aku supaya sesuai dengan aktivitas yang akan aku lakukan. Jadi untuk hari ini, which is day 1, aku lagi piknik sama teman aku Felicia, and we're gonna do a dance I think, dan kita juga bakal bikin TikTok untuk Arise Rose karena Arise Rose lagi punya a video making competition, and so today we're gonna make a TikTok for promoting that yang bisa jadi contoh gitu loh. Jadi it's gonna be the example that the participants can follow if they want to submit an entry. So aku udah ngerangkai kain aku sesuai dengan aktivitas aku, which is dancing. In a minute I will show you guys how I made this and my decision making process. Jadi hari ini mood aku tuh lebih ke atasan sih, karena we're gonna do a lot of footwork. Masih bisa pakai kain sih, cuman gue emang nggak tahu hari ini gue moodnya tuh pengen berkreasi atasan aja sih. Jadi bawahnya gue cuman pakai kayak jogger gitu, terus atasannya gue pakai kain ini. Ini kainnya bagus banget, warnanya perpaduan ungu sama ada merah-merah pinknya sedikit, terus agak mengkilap gitu kainnya, makes me feel like a royal. Gue nggak tahu ini kainnya dari mana. Tadi gue tanya bos gue, terus dia bilang kayaknya ini tuh songket tenun barong dari Jepara. Tapi yang beli tuh mama gue, terus dia bilang kayaknya ini kain dari Banggai tuh. Tapi dia nggak tahu juga. Jadi kita nggak tahu pasti ini tuh apa. Jadi sekarang kita asumsi aja ini adalah salah satu dari hal yang gue sebutin tadi. Kalau kalian yang nonton tahu ini apa, silahkan komen down below so I can know what this is from. Oke, sekarang aku tinggal thinking how to style it aja. Ini juga masih bingung banget sih, ini mau kayak gimana. I have like a vision in my head of what it's going to be like in the end. Cuman I don't know how to get there, but that's the fun in this. Yang bikin kain seru itu tuh karena lo tuh nggak bakal tahu secara pasti kain itu bakal end up kayak gimana, kain itu bakal berbentuk kayak gimana. The fun of not knowing and discovering later on. So I settled with this. This is kind of like a one-shoulder twisty top. I don't know the exact steps I took to achieve this, but if you want a tutorial, comment down below and I'll try to recreate it someday. Okay, let's go. And again, I'm just pairing it with my black joggers, and I'm probably gonna put on some sneakers. I think white sneakers would be good for this, so there's a little bit of a light pop. Juga pakai kain hari ini. Lihat deh kain di sini deketan.
There's a peacock. Look at my whole outfit.
Kelihatan tapi kita terus aja. Hi, so what are we doing today?
I'm dying.
No, seriously, what are we doing today? Bikin TikTok.
Making a TikTok about for Arise Rose.
What is the topic?
Sustainable living.
Okay, what is sustainable living to you?
Living sustainable.
So I ended the day with Felicia already, and I'm actually on the way to buy some groceries right now for my parents. I'm gonna go get some groceries. I just got catcalled by 10 people from there for wearing kain. But you know, keep your heads up and bark at your catcallers. So apparently this place has this really, really stupid, mind-numbingly dumb policy that you are not allowed to take videos or photos with a professional camera or even a pocket camera. Any form of camera is not allowed, but taking pictures and videos with your phone is allowed, which is so weird because the essence is the same.
You're still taking pictures and videos. I don't. Anyways, that's why I stopped vlogging with my camera and I whipped out my phone with this horrible quality, so I'm sorry for that. But this is my outro. So as you can read on the title, I'm having a giveaway for my Tujuh Hari Berkain series, in which I will be giving one lucky winner 2 pieces of kain from my collection. So there will be 2 really exquisite pieces from my collection. You can enter yourself in the giveaway by doing these exact instructions. First off, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video. Second of all, I want you to comment your favorite part from this whole Tujuh Hari Berkain series. It can be your favorite part in general or your favorite part from each video. So you're gonna have to watch all 7 of my upcoming videos for this series. And then if you want a bonus entry, you can go to my Instagram and click on my last post, which is this one, and you can comment why you should win this giveaway and tag 3 friends. Okay, so that is it for the giveaway information for now. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning into my vlog today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on my next vlog.